Everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is a end of the month, end of the quarter now, but not the good news. I just was reading on the news, it's the worst month since March 2020, and we all know what that was. So it's ugly out there on the markets, and you know what? I don't have an answer. There's just so much going on in the world right now. Interest rates rising, things going on in Europe. There's just so much happening, and it's hard to keep track of everything. But what we're going to be doing, or what I'm going to be doing with the portfolio, just sticking with the plan. I don't think it's time yet to make any, we're not making any rash decisions. We're not selling anything. Happy with my position. So let's jump in and we'll just show you how the portfolio performed for this week and how it's doing overall. Spoiler alert, it's down, which I think most people are probably in the same boat. So take solace, you're not alone. Let's jump right into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA. Unfortunately, we're down under that $10,000 mark, which is a little bit unfortunate. It was nice to have that mental kind of, you see that extra digit in your portfolio is always kind of nice, but hey, it's not going to happen at the end of the month. We finished off the day down 0.7%. It started off like a good day. You can see here we were starting to have a decent day on the portfolio, but dropped off by the end of the day. Not really watching it all day, but it's just so you're seeing here. Let's just go through. We did receive some dividends though recently, and I didn't reinvest anything today, so I will be sharing a video over the weekend. Now that's the end of the month, I'll update that dividend spreadsheet. If you don't have a dividend spreadsheet, you want to track something, check out the video on my channel for there's a dividend spreadsheet you can download, works on Google Sheets. So I have a little bit to reinvest there. Let's just go through. No new positions added today or anything like that. We're all kind of the same. So we actually had some decent stuff in the green. Brookfield Renewables up 2.15%. That's good. That's one I added to earlier in the week, which was nice. BTC.Y, there was a little bit of a rally on Bitcoin. That's the Bitcoin yield ETF, up 1.62%. Cielo Solutions flat today. ETC, that's the evolved cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, 4.26% today, which is decent, but again, it's we'll see as we're going down here now. Greenlane Renewables down 1.56%. Okay with that. In general, REI, that's the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, up 2.65%, so that's good. We're still down on that position. A lot of these positions we're still down on. R&W down today as well, 0.34. Solar Alliance Energy flat today. Slate Office REIT, nice to see that one come up 2.35% today, but then we're going to see a little bit of a drop here. TELUS down 1.01%, so maybe a few people in the channel were able to pick up some TELUS to add to position on a day that's down a little bit to lower your average cost. VDY, that's the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF, down 0.3%, not too bad. And VFV, that's the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, down 0.64%. But we can kind of see here, we'll streak over to the total value, and we can see we're pretty much in the red with a lot of things. Nothing as of right now is actually in the green. We're back down. We had a couple things up in the green, but unfortunately, that's just the way it rolls. So let's just go through, instead of going through each position, because I haven't added anything new to the portfolio prior to earlier in the week. So as you see, down on the day 0.70, on the week down 2.79%, on the month, this is where it's getting bigger, down 6.22%, 3 months down 1.96%. And we'll go to 1 year, down 17.22%, and all-time down 18.32%. That's definitely, it starts to hit down $2,241.43. But with the way the market is going, that's what's happening. We're just taking it as an opportunity now to a dollar cost average into some of my positions, and just slow, steady deposits along the way. The market, it's like I said, it's rough out there. It's always something. It's hard to put more investments in. But again, it's a long-term investment portfolio that I'm trying to build, and we'll keep rolling in with the regular slow deposits. All right, so yeah, it's definitely ugly out there. Like I said, just as I started off the video, worst month since March 2020. So that's the market for us here. Let me know your thoughts. How I think we've had a fair amount of comments. I encourage you to read the comments. A lot of it's in the same boat. If you are, if you have questions with the way the market's going, definitely reach out to your financial person. Do your research on investments if you're still in the right positions. And just be careful out there. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just slow and steady. I think slow and steady now will hopefully win the race. We'll see how things pick up now. October is going to be starting. We can maybe have a bit of a run up into October and coming up into the new year for the last quarter of the year. We'll see. Not going to cross my fingers on that, but I think we're in for much of the same for the next little bit as next little while. So take advantage. I'm going to be trying to take advantage of it best I can, and just do slow, steady deposits, and that's the name of the game. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you have a good weekend. Maybe ignore the market until Monday. Let's hope we have a bit of a rally. Maybe we'll see something a bit better on Monday with everything that's happening. Who knows at this time? So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.